scientific technologies.
Modern medicine.
Is it possible? Are you doing that in your hospital?
Yes, yes. In China, we have the traditional Chinese medicine. In this traditional Chinese medicine also is, I think, achievement from our Chinese history. And it's also, I think, I think this is a very good experiment summary. So it can also help people. Now, but for the cancer patient, we emphasize more of the modern medicine, because modern medicine can do more help for the people. But in China, we still integrated modern medicine with traditional Chinese medicine, especially for those cancer heart treated, or for those people who are very weak, when they want to improve some symptoms. Also, we can use the Chinese herbal.
Since it's National Cancer Survivor Month in the Philippines, there's a patient here. Can we ask you what happened to you, Mrs. Pineda?
Yeah.
Mrs. Pineda.
Your experience in China.
Because, Doctor, can we ask a few questions to you had, Dr. Mu said you had 2 cancers before?
I have.
Mrs. Sonia is my patient in China, in Guangzhou. She's a Filipino Chinese.
Then you face the camera. Maybe you can sit here.
No.
Sorry. Can you please stand?
I think you can say Tagalog or English, so
yes.
more people will move.
Okay. I had mastectomy last 2022.
You had 2 cancer,
First one by one. Breast cancer 2022. I was operated last May 11.
What is your full name?
Sonia Adano Pineda.
Yes.
I was operated last 2022 May 11, and then after having 6 chemo in the Philippines.
What stage of cancer when you
I think it's 2B. 2B.
Stage 2.
It's stage 2. It feels pain.
Yes.
I was afraid to go to the doctor because I already felt it last 2021 at that time because
You
COVID time.
avoided?
I avoided the doctor. I was too scared. So I waited until it was 2022. The pain is very unbearable already.
So 1 year you knew already something wrong, you did not go to cancer doctor?
It's about 6 or 7 months because I discovered it last 2021 December.
Yes.
And then I went to see the doctor, operated on 2022 May 11.
Yes.
After that, I had 6 chemos here in the Philippines.
Yes.
And then, when I went to China to accompany my husband because he has lymph cancer, lymphoma, Dr. Mu asked me to have a PET scan. So I went to have my PET scan, and
What is PET scan? It's a screening of cancers.
full body.
Full body.
Full body. Yes, full body. And they saw something on my right lung. It says there that it's about 2.5 cm big. The diameter is 2.5
It's a growth?
I think it's a growth. It's a new growth. And I was asked
In
to...
the lungs, are you a smoker? No.
No, I don't smoke. I hate smoking.
So you can have lung cancer even if you're not a smoker?
And then they asked me to have what they call Cryo. Yes, I have cryo
Tapos
ablation.
yung mga ano sa...
Yan, cryo
Here,
sinasabi.
In Guangzhou.
in Guangzhou,
Ay,
yes.
Guangzou.
Hindi,
Yes.
kasi yun naman yung
I have cryo
direct
ablation.
line galing sa breast.
It feels so cold while they were doing it.
Yes.
And before that, I feel something pala. When I lie down, I feel pain here on my right back.
Yes.
And then I was too scared. That's why I went to have that CT scan. After that, they have me for cryo. That's only for 1 day. My pain at the back, no more. It's done after only 1 day. The recovery is just like no recovery. I just felt that I felt sinipon ako after that. That's all. Only 1 day. Only 1 day. Freeze. Malamig. I feel so cold here at the back. I was lying on my here. Nakadapa.
Face up.
Face down. Nakadapa ako. It took around mga 30 to 45 minutes.
When was this? What year?
I think last year only.
Last year. So how are you now after all this treatment?
After all this treatment,
After my surgery,
I
I
feel
think she
great.
underwent 4 cycles of chemo.
yeah, after
And
the
then no more
trial,
other treatment.
No,
I
no.
Only
have
do
four-
monitoring.
I have 4 local chemo there in China. It was administered here. Not by Suero. Dito, hinihiwa nila dito. Not that one. Hinihiwa nila dito sa side, and then you have to,
Femoral vein.
then you have to lie down for, tapos may iibig sila dito, you have to lie down for 6 hours without standing up. After that, okay na.
So you recovered ever since.
I have recovered. And then
So
just,
you are a survivor.
I think I am.
2 cancers.
2 cancers already. Hope there's nothing more. And
What is your
then,
age? What is your age?
I am 67, turning 68 this coming end of June.
So you feel better now than 2 years ago, 2 years ago?
Acupuncture herb.
Not actually better, but I feel the same. Nothing bad. Nothing bad. And then this last, I think it's April, I had CTC in China.
April, just this.
Just this year.
Ah,
Yes, just this year.
2 months ago.
Around 1.5 months ago.
So what is your advice to everyone about early detection?
But most of them just want to sell their product.
Anything wrong, you have to go to the doctor, not
But don't
avoid it.
Yeah, don't be afraid because once you're afraid, it will be too late.
Ah, yes.
I was so scared. That's why it.
Wala.
Okay lang.